Hi, welcome back on the Bet Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to insert the SIM card in your Realme 14 Pro Plus. So to this operation you have to get the key, and of course we have to get the SIM card to insert the phone. So get the key, insert. Under the phone there is a three hole, big hole, one hole. This is the microphone, and there is a SIM card slot for the, and put the tool into this hole, and as you see we have a SIM card tray, and there is a SIM 1, and under there is a SIM 2. So let's put the SIM 1 like this, and put the SIM 2 here. So it's looking like that. And now put the SIM card slot into your phone. And as you see, we have got the 2 SIM cards in our phone. And that's it. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.